Hi, I'm Chris with Clarkson Pools. Today we're going to go over how to control the heat pump chiller using the standalone function if you have a PDA controller. You may have to do this if you're looking to chill the pool and you have a handheld PDA remote. First, you will hit pool. This will show heat pump is off, press pool or spa. Next, you will hold the 3 buttons down for 7 seconds. This puts the heater into the service setup menu. You'll scroll down 2 times to remote, hit menu, scroll down to off to turn the heater into a standalone, hit pool to exit the service setup. Next, it will show heat pump is off, press pool or spa. We will hit pool. Next, we need to let the heater know that we want to use it as a chiller, so we're going to hit menu, scroll down to chill, hit menu. Now we will control the chiller by using the up and down keys. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need help at all, feel free to give us a call at 904-223-4050. Clarkson Pools is always here to help you.